Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best PC cases under $100 that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a gamer, a DIY enthusiast, or just looking to upgrade your PC setup, these cases balance affordability with great features. Check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Foifkin K6 PC case. This mid-tower ATX case is all about cooling performance and aesthetic appeal. With its grille design and 6 pre-installed ARGB PWM fans, 320mm and 340mm, the K6 offers excellent airflow. This makes it ideal for gamers or anyone planning to run high-performance hardware. The snap-on tempered glass side panel not only looks sleek, but also allows for quick and tool-free installation. The build quality is solid, with a mix of metal and tempered glass that feels premium for its class. The case supports up to 8 fans, ensuring optimal cooling for even the most demanding setups. It's also spacious enough to handle GPUs up to 330mm in length, CPU coolers up to 174mm in height, and PSUs up to 170mm. The I/O panel features modern connectivity options, including a Type-C port, USB 3.0, USB 2.0, and audio microphone jacks. While the K6 has a lot to offer, its relatively smaller GPU clearance compared to other cases on this list might limit some high-end builds. Additionally, its lack of included HDD SSD mounts means you may need to purchase those separately. Still, for gamers on a budget who prioritize cooling and RGB lighting, the Foifkin K6 is a strong contender. Pros: excellent cooling performance, pre-installed ARGB fans, modern I/O ports. Cons: limited GPU clearance, no included HDD SSD mounts. Coming in at number 4 is the Darkrock EC2 ATX Mid-Tower PC case. This case combines a minimalist design with excellent hardware compatibility, making it versatile for both gaming and professional setups. The meshed front panel ensures efficient airflow, while the tempered glass side panel adds a modern touch to showcase your build. The Darkrock EC2 supports ATX, micro-ATX, and mini-ITX motherboards, along with GPUs up to 340mm in length and PSUs up to 200mm, with support for up to 8 120mm fans and a 360mm radiator. The cooling capability is impressive for a case in this price range. The included magnetic dust filters on the top and bottom are a thoughtful addition to maintain cleanliness. However, the case only comes with one pre-installed fan, which might require additional investment for optimal cooling. While the tempered glass panel is visually pleasing, it's not as wide-angled as some competitors. Overall, the Darkrock EC2 is a reliable choice for users who want balanced performance and aesthetics without breaking the bank. Pros: strong cooling support, versatile motherboard compatibility, minimalist design. Cons: only one pre-installed fan, narrower tempered glass panel. Ranked at number 3, the HiXN H1 ATX PC case offers a unique dual-chamber design with a 270-degree panoramic view through its tempered glass side panels. This case is all about premium aesthetics, and it doesn't disappoint with its pre-installed 7 ARGB PWM fans. These fans provide not only excellent cooling, but also vibrant customizable lighting effects, all controllable via motherboard software. The H1 boasts impressive hardware compatibility, supporting ATX, micro-ATX, and mini-ITX motherboards, GPUs up to 400mm in length, and PSUs up to 200mm. Its vertical airflow design, with bottom and side intakes paired with top and rear exhausts, ensures efficient cooling. You can even install up to 3 360mm radiators simultaneously for powerful liquid cooling setups. On the downside, the HiXN H1's premium features come at a higher price point compared to some competitors. Additionally, its larger size might not suit users with limited desk space, but for those who want a high-end look and unmatched cooling potential, the HiXN H1 is a compelling option. Pro, a 7 pre-installed ARGB fans, stunning design, advanced cooling options. Cons, larger footprint, slightly higher price point. At number 2, we have the micro-atx Y6-ATX PC case, which strikes an excellent balance between performance, aesthetics, and usability. The standout feature here is the 270-degree dual-tempered glass side panels, providing a wider field of view to showcase your hardware. The sleek, black matte finish gives it a high-end, professional look. The Y6 comes with 3 pre-installed 120mm fans and supports a 360mm radiator for liquid cooling. It's compatible with GPUs up to 400mm in length and CPU coolers up to 176mm in height. The case also features a modular design, with tool-free snap-on panels for easy installation. The dual-chamber layout not only improves airflow, but also simplifies cable management. While the Y6 is a fantastic case overall, it doesn't include as many pre-installed fans as some competitors, which might require additional investment for optimal cooling. Still, for users who prioritize aesthetics and build quality, the micro-atx Y6 is a fantastic choice. Pros: wide tempered glass panels, sleek design, good hardware compatibility. Cons: only 3 pre-installed fans. Finally, at number 1, we have the Cooler Master Masterbox Q300L, a budget-friendly case that punches well above its price tag. At just $39.99, this micro-atx tower offers great versatility and functionality. The magnetic dust filters not only keep your components clean, but also add a distinctive pattern design to the case. The transparent acrylic side panel is perfect for displaying your build. The Q300L supports GPUs up to 360mm, CPU coolers up to 1599mm, and PSUs up to 160mm. Its open thermal design, with perforations on all sides, ensures excellent airflow. The modular I/O panel can be repositioned for your convenience, making it highly adaptable to your setup. Despite its compact size, it offers ample interior space for micro-atx and mini-ITX motherboards. While the acrylic side panel isn't as premium as tempered glass, it's a reasonable trade-off at this price point. Additionally, the case doesn't include any pre-installed fans, so you'll need to purchase those separately. Overall, the Cooler Master Q300L is the perfect choice for budget-conscious builders who want a reliable, well-designed case. Pros: affordable price, versatile layout, great airflow. Cons: no pre-installed fans, acrylic side panel. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.